Recording in progress.
More utility collections. How many more utility collections I give? 7. What is the first one? Iterator. Second one, list iterator. Third one, map.entry. Fourth one, scanner. Fifth one, arrays. Sixth one, collections. Seventh one, comparator. Okay. Iterator is interface or class? Interface. List iterator? Interface. Map.entry? Entry is an inner interface of map interface. Next, scanner class, arrays class, collections, comparator interface. Yesterday, 3 collections completed. More utility collections, 3 collections. Say, iterator interface, it is used to iterate elements of a collection. List iterator interface also same purpose, but difference is it is any collection. This is only for array list and linked list. It allows only forward direction, but it is both forward, backward. It allows only remove operation, but it will allow add, remove, set. This is 2-dimensional collection purpose. Next is scanner class. Next node. Scanner class. It is used to accept the data from keyboard. It is used to accept the data from keyboard. It is used to accept the data from keyboard. If you want to accept the data from keyboard, scanner class required. Without scanner class also possible. You studied system.in.read as well as command line arguments as well as buffered reader. Many are there, but scanner class is flexible as compared to all. You observe Java P java.util.scanner. Constructor. Methods. Here many methods are there. See, every data type, one method is there. But just only 4 or 5 methods I'll give. Node. Next method, if we call one word, one string, it comes. Next line method, if we call one line of text. Okay. Next boolean, if we call boolean. Next int, if we call integer. Next float, if we call float. So here conversion is not required, exception handling not required. That's what it is better. Now, these all methods, if you want to call, scanner class object required. For creating object, this consider required. Consider takes input stream. Input stream reference you have to pass. Okay. Is it over? Now, if you want to accept one word, use this method. One line of text, use this method. If you want to accept boolean, this method. Integer, this one. Float, this one. Other types also are there. Byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, all. Okay. Now, now, suppose if you want to accept one integer, which method you have to call? Nextend. This method, instance method or class method? For calling this method, which class required? Scanner class object. What we have to write? Scanner is equal to new scanner. Here, what is a parameter? Input stream. Parameter input stream. Okay. Input string class object or input string class reference. We have to pass. But if I open input stream, you observe input stream. What is this you observe? Can we create object? Can we create? No. But already input stream reference we used it also. Actually, that subclass object will be there. So it is abstract class. Can we create object to input string class? We cannot create. But how they created in system class? You observe. Java p java.lang.system. Now here, what is this? It what is concept? Object reference. Object reference. Object reference of which class? Input string class. That means right side equal to one object will be there. No? That part hidden. But it is only reference. Reference refers object. No. Now this is object reference. Object reference of input string class. But it refers one object. But can we create input stream object? No. That means input streams subclass object will be there. Say one small example. Demo D equal to new demo. System.out.println D. What will be the output comes? Hash code comes, no? But hash code with class name also comes. What it comes? Demo add hash code in hexadecimal format. Okay. Class name printed, add symbol printed, hash code hexadecimal format printed. Okay. Demo D equal to new demo. D is a reference of which class? It refers which class object? Demo class. That's what this demo comes here. Add symbol comes. That address mapped into another code, that code implemented with hashing technique. You studied hashing very quickly possible, no? That's the reason they used hashing. In his memory, while searching for object, very quickly it will search with hash code. That's what hash code. Format is hexadecimal format they applied. You studied number formats, binary, octal, hexadecimal, decimal. Hexadecimal they applied. Okay. This is okay. Suppose A is a superclass, B is a subclass, A is a superclass, B is a subclass. A equal to new B. Is this line is valid or not valid? Valid? In this line, which class object created? B class. Assigned to which class reference? This concept is called upcasting. Okay. B class object assigned to A class reference. Subclass object assigned to superclass reference. This concept is called upcasting. It is valid. Now, system.out.println A. What is the output comes? B at hash code or A at hash code? Which one? B at hash code. This right side object. So B at hash code. Okay. Now it refers B class object. It refers B class object. Okay. Like this only. Here. Public static final java.io.input stream in. In is a reference of which class? In is a reference of input stream. Input stream, is it abstract class or concrete class? Abstract class. Can we create object? No. That means here right side what they written? Equal to new subclass object. Equal to new subclass object. But which subclass is there? I want to find out. If I print in, you will get that class name, no? What do you find? Now, if I print here, system.out.println in refers one object. That class name comes, no? But if you want to use in, if you want to use in is static, no? Then how to use? System.in. System.in. You observe. Save file, save. If I compile, compilation, execution. Buffered input stream is one more class. That class object. So for you, it is appearing like this. Public static final java.io.input stream in. It is appearing to you. Right side equal to new java.io.buffered input stream. This part is hidden. This part is hidden. Now, here input stream is a superclass. Buffered input stream is a subclass. Input stream is a superclass. Buffered input stream is a subclass. Here, which class object created? Buffered input stream. It is subclass or superclass? Which class reference created? Subclass object assigned to superclass reference. This concept is called upcasting. Okay, upcasting. Here, subclass object assigned to superclass reference. This concept is called upcasting. Upcasting done by system implicitly. Upcasting always valid. So now you can create object of buffered input string class, that is you can pass. Otherwise this in you can pass. But these all internals device driver programming will be there. These objects we should not create. This keyboard is a device. Monitor is the one device. Internal programming, C language coding will be there. Device driver programming. That's what this is we have to pass. Okay. This in we have to pass as a parameter in a scanner class. But actually here in refers which class object? Buffered input stream. Buffered input stream object refers. But you can pass subclass object also, superclass reference also, even superclass reference also, subclass reference also. Possible no? Subclass object you can pass, subclass reference you can pass, superclass reference you can pass. But superclass object you can pass, not possible here. Reason abstract class. Okay. Now here scanner S equal to new scanner. Actually scanner class constructor parameter is input stream. Scanner class constructor is parameter is input stream. Input stream object or input stream reference we have to pass. Input stream object can you create? No. Why? Abstract class. That subclass object can we create? Yes. That is which is subclass? Buffered input stream. That subclass object can be assigned to input stream reference? Yes. That is no need to do by us, already there, implicitly present. That object reference only in. That object reference only in. But in is a member of which class? System class. Is it instance variable or class variable? Then how to call? That's what system.in. Okay. But instead of this all, scanner is equal to new scanner system.in better, no? Okay. At that time, I didn't explain object-oriented programming concepts. Here upcasting is there, abstract class is there, subclass object, superclass reference, static member, final member, public member. So many concepts are there in a one line. But this concept, starting, if I teach, can understand? Now also all people not understood. Now also. Okay. That's what. Starting, scanner is equal to new scanner, not possible. Explanation. System.out.println also not possible. Okay. That is the reason at the time you learned like that. But now you got a clarity, no? So, here, see, repeat. Here, scanner class constructor, what it takes? Input stream. Input stream object or input stream reference, we have to pass. But even if you want to create input stream reference, object required. Okay. Can we create object to input stream? No. Why we cannot create? Abstract class. Can we create subclass object? Yes. Which is subclass? Buffered input stream. That object can I assign to input stream? Yes. How it is valid? Upcasting. Okay. That is no need to do by us. Already is there. No? That one I want to use. But that is where it is? System class. Is it instance variable or class variable? Class variable. In which class? System class. Class variable. How to call? System.in. That's what we are writing. Okay. That's what we are writing. Okay. Now, with this scanner class reference, Can I call these methods? Yes. No. Suppose next int. Return type of next int. What we have to write? Integer x equal to s dot next int. Then system dot out dot println x over. For understanding purpose, one message. Otherwise, blank page displayed. Okay. So enter any number like this. Okay. Like this, separate methods are there. Okay. But in real time, scanner class also we are not using. In real time, no scanner class, no command line argument, no buffered reader, no data input stream. Is all we won't use. Okay. Always will accept the data in browser. Browser nothing but HTML. Without HTML, internet application is not possible. Compulsory HTML record. Okay. HTML will enter the data. The data we have to store in database. But directly HTML to database connection not possible. That's what Solid's or Java. Okay, if it is possible, Java is not required. Okay, if it is possible. So further what will happen? Client side, server side, two different programs. Client side HTML, server side Solid. Whatever you enter in HTML, that is received by servlet program. So you will enter like this. Here you will enter username, password. Say you want to log in Gmail. Gmail inbox you want to open. Like this will be there. Okay, like this will be there. But you will enter your username, you will enter password, you will click on login button. This is HTML program. HTML program. But this username password, whether it is there or not in database, it has to check. It has to check. Okay. It is database. Data permanently stored in database. Now, when I click on the login button, it has to pass to database. Whether it is there or not, it has to check. If it is there, it should display inbox. If not there, invalid username or password message. But these all directly not possible. HTML, you cannot connect to database. So here, this is not possible. Then one more program required. That is Solid program. So this is HTML program. This is Solid program. That is Java. Then what it will do? It will receive username. It will receive password. It will receive. Whatever you entered in HTML, that is received by Solid. Okay. This is server side program. That's what name is Solid. Applet, Solid, Midlet, they're given like that. Applet, client side, Solid, server side, Midlet, mobile related programs. Okay. Like that they're given. Username, password received here. It has to check in database. But checking in database, JDBC. JDBC required. Java database connectivity. So this is Java. Again communicating with database, JDBC. But JDBC Java. Database doesn't know Java. SQL. So SQL query you will write in JDBC program. JDBC code you will write in Solid program. That Solid will receive username, password. Now this is called front-end development. This is called back-end development. Front-end, back-end. If you do both, you are a full stack Java developer. That's it. But this is only database, storage purpose only. But this is called front-end. This is called back-end. Back-end web development. Front-end web development. But front-end development purpose, so many technologies are there, not only HTML. Back-end purpose also, so many technologies are there. Okay. Front-end, HTML. If you want to design more attractive, CSS. Here, username, password you'll enter. Username, password you'll enter. Some validations will be there. Username must contain 6 letters. Password must contain a special symbol, 1 digit. So many things will be there. No? Now, direct 1 letter I'll type. If I type 1 letter, actually that is invalid. But what will happen? Client may be in Hyderabad, server may be in US. The letter passed to server. Again communicates with database. Then again it comes invalid. But instead of sending, here only can validate, no? That is JavaScript. JavaScript. See, front end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. But JavaScript again coding. Instead of that, ready-made programs. React.js, AngularJS frameworks. Bootstrap HTML framework. Bootstrap HTML framework. Instead of HTML, Bootstrap. Instead of JavaScript, AngularJS or React.js. Instead of that, TypeScript. So many concepts. Client side. Server side, Servlet. But a Servlet advance is JSP. Java Server Pages. Easy as compared to Servlet. As compared to this one, ready-made program. That is only Spring MVC. Struts 1, Struts 2, JSF, Spring Boot MVC, so many. Client side, so many technologies. Server side, so many technologies. All you are learning is you are learning full stack. That is full stack word. Okay. But this type of programs, no one will use in real time. So only standalone programming. Java not made for this type of programs. Okay. But learning purpose, practicing purpose required. That's what scanner. Okay. Write this one. Example. Scanner class in which package? Util package. Import java.util.star. Those who completed HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you continue AngularJS. Angular, TypeScript. AngularJS different, Angular different. AngularJS, JavaScript, Angular, TypeScript. Angular, now present Angular they are using. Those who completed Oracle, just go for a Selenium also. Selenium class also you can attend parallelly. Advanced Java, Selenium, Angular. These 3 you can continue now. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, 1 batch. Core Java, 1 batch. Oracle, 1 batch. These 3 generally all are attending starting. Later, Angular, Selenium, Advanced Java. After that, Spring, Development, Security, Operations. These 2. Then full stack will complete. So almost 8 courses, 8 classes you have to attend total. Is it completed? Next one, arrays class. It contains several useful methods that are used to perform operations on array elements. It contains several useful methods that are used to perform operations on array elements. It contains several useful methods that are used to perform operations on array elements. See, frequently you check websites. Batch details will find out. No need to ask admin also. If you open ArrayState website, batches details are there, no? Frequently they are updating. You check it, all batches details. Every day or 2-3 days only they are updating. We observe complete information available in internet. Okay, narraystate.com, narraystate.in. Both two websites are there. All batch details information is there. You can find out. No need to ask admin also. No need to ask faculty also. See that, attend. Now it contains several useful methods that are used to perform operations on array elements. Because even myself also I cannot remember, no? How many batches are there on see notice board? But which class means that is you have to check it. That's it. Because how many are there in just open website? You will understand. See, how many batches are there? You observe. In our institute, how many batches running? You observe. The number is 33 batches. 33 batches are there. You observe. From year to year, 33 batches are there. These are live training. Again, classroom training separate is there. 1 minute. There will be some menu. New batches. See, it is online training. Classroom, Amirpet batches. And online, offline going on, but all batches are not in online. See, 20 batches are there. That means remaining 13 only online. Okay. Even you observe weekend batches also are there. Internship separate. Online workshops. That is one more site is there. narraystate.com. This is you observe. Complete information available here. See, live training. It is online training. It is classroom training. It is this is also online training with recorded videos. But all courses they are not providing recorded videos. These courses recorded videos also. Free online workshops. Okay, and here weekend training. See, weekend batches also. Saturday, Sundays. 5 weekends, 2 weekends, 4 weekends. See, then how many batches are running in institute? Observe. How many faculties, how many institutes, how many batches are there? See, live training, online training. Online. It is offline. It is online with videos. Videos only. Videos also they'll provide. But videos, without videos, different will be there. Without videos, with videos. Okay? Double. Again, but all courses you will not get recorded videos. All courses are not there. Very few, you observe. Very few. 21 courses, videos are there. But total 60-70 courses running all. Now, workshops, weekend training. Complete information available in internet. If any doubts are there, you can contact admin also. Or You can help desk also is there. You can call to them. Now, arrays class. It contains several useful methods that are used to perform operations on array element. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Listen the class. It contains several useful methods. See. If you want to perform operations on array elements, this is required. Here, many methods are there and overloaded methods also are there. See, sort method only. How many are there? See, it is complete array sorted. Here, starting point, ending point. In that part only sorted. Again, long, short, every data type, one method. Character, byte, float, these all. Again, parallel sorting, quick sorting, separate methods. And searching. See, binary search. Binary search, searching. Equals, comparing two arrays equal or not. Again, every data type separate. Filling one value. Specified value in that array. Copying. Copy range, hash codes. Converting into string. So many are there. Okay, just 4 or 5 methods I'll explain. The way I'll explain, that's it. Write this one. Here, no need to give description. What this will do? Sorted. Here, searching. Equals, comparing. This is converts integer array elements into string format. It returns string representation of array elements. It returns string representation of array elements. It returns string representation of array elements. See, this toString method is not default method. Okay. That toString method doesn't take parameter. That toString method, instance method, but it is class method. Explicitly you have to call. It is not called automatically. This is another toString. Names are given like that only, but it is another toString. It is not default method. Sort binary search equals toString. Sort binary search equals toString. Sort method for sorting. Binary search method for searching. Equals method comparing two arrays. toString method returning array elements of as string format. Is it over? You observe integer array if you pass here, integer array, if you pass here, those all elements concatenated as a one string, that string returned. This sort method, if we pass here array, that array elements are sorted. This element, it will search in this array. If it is there, that index return. That is not there, -1 return. These two arrays, both are equal, true return. Both are false, not equal, false return. That type. Okay. Now, these all instance methods are class methods. How to call? Arrays dot sort, arrays dot binary search, arrays dot equals, arrays dot toString. Okay. See. Suppose integer array. It is on array. Now, if I print system.out.println A, what is output? What it prints? Hash code printed. But how to print elements? For loop. For loop, normal for loop outright. Int I equal to 0. I less than a dot length. I plus plus. Here system.out.println A of I. Here length brackets required or brackets not required? Not required. It is array length. If string length method is there, it is array. Length not required. It's a variable. It is a variable, predefined constant. Okay. Now, this is normal for loop. Enhanced for loop, how will write? For int b colon a. Next, system.out.println b. Now, these are without loop only possible. That is only toString. That is only toString. That toString method I want to call. What is the return type? String. String s1 equal to arrays dot toString of a. See, these elements concatenated as a one string that is stored in s1. You can print system.out.println s1. File, save. Every day while printing array list, linked list, output came, no? That type comes. Every day array list, linked list, asset printed, no? They return toString, that this type output they return in toString method. That is instance method, default called. It is not called. We have to call. Okay. If you want to sort, how to sort? Arrays dot sort A. But again, you have to convert into a string. String s2 equal to arrays dot toString of A. System.out.println s2. Before sorting, after sorting. See, before sorting, after sorting. Sorting, no? That is like this. Any operation, if you want to perform on arrays, use that class. Okay. If you want to perform, check it in that class, which method required. Find out, write this program. So all elements concatenated as a one string that is displayed. Elements are sorted, again concatenated as a string that is displayed. Is it completed? Next collection. Which is next one? Collections. You studied collection, that is interface. This is class. Collections. It contains several useful methods that are used to perform operations on collection elements. It contains several useful methods that are used to perform operations on collection elements. So two classes little bit different. This will work on arrays, array elements. This will work on collection elements. For a purpose also one class is there. That is arrays class. If you want to perform operations on array elements, one class is there. That is arrays. If you want to perform operation on collection elements, one class is there. That is collections class. Already many operation, what specific data structure concepts possible there only. Additional operation, more utility. That's what this name is, more utility. More operations which are possible. Those all separate prepared. Now, Java P java.util.collections. Methods. Sort. Search. Note down. Reverse. Shuffle. Swap. So many are there. Over. Which method? Here same methods are then almost, but collection elements. Sort, binary search, reverse. Sort method, what it takes parameter? List, year list, year list. In the place of list, can I pass array list? Can I pass? Yes or no? Linked list. Your voice is not louder. That means not confident. List implementation classes. How many are there? Array list, linked list. These two derived from list only, no? List is a interface. Array list is a class, subclass. Already you studied. It is an implementation of array representation of list implementation class. It is a linked representation of list implementation class. Studied, no? Array list derived from list. Linked list derived from list. So you can pass array list also, linked list also. Can you pass set? No. Set doesn't take. It is list parameter. Other method, many are there. Here, other methods, many methods are there. You observe? These many methods are there. Set also, map also, all are there. You observe? Almost 300 to 400 methods are there. Okay? Now, first, any one collection required. Example, array list. Integer al equal to new array list. Al dot add. Al dot add. Al dot add. System dot out dot println al. What will be the output? As it is 81, 74, 80, 45, 59. Okay. Like that printed. Same as it is printed. File, save, compilation, execution, printed. These elements, if you want to sort, you can use sort method. Then this sort method, instance method or class method, then how to call? Collections dot sort. See, collections dot sort. What I can pass? Al. Actually, what it takes? List generic type. Okay. I passed al. Al is array list integer type. You can pass no? This al nothing but array list. Array list derived from list. That's what we can pass. Sorted. If you print again, output is 45, 59, 74, 81. File, save. Sorted. It is my order. It is ascending order. I want to do display descending order. What we can do? Reverse method you can call. It is reversed. How to call? Collections dot reverse al. System dot out dot println al. Compilation, execution. Okay. Here, this is my order. My order. This is ascending order. This is descending order. Okay. This one, after this one, if I write collections dot reverse, what will happen? My order reversed. Okay. Then 59, 45, 80, 74, 81 comes. Okay. Write this program. Okay. So here as it is printed, here sorted, here reversed. So here ascending order printed, here descending order printed. Is it over? Now I'll ask some questions. Give me answer. Suppose in the place of integer, I'll write string. Here I'll write some strings. If I write like this, what will happen? Alphabetical order, ASCII code compared. Okay, but it will work. File, save, compilation, execution. So it is my order. First, which one came? See, 34F, because numbers ASCII code 48 onwards. That's what this is came. Okay. Numbers 0 starts with 0 number is 48. Small a 97. Capital A 65. Based on that sorted. Okay. Alpha strings also, if you are right, it is sorted. Now what I'll do, you observe. In the place of string, here I'll remove strings. Here, first one class I'll create. One class I'll create, employee. Okay. In that employee, integer, employee number, string, name, float, salary. These are which type of variables? If you want to initialize, how to initialize? Constructor. Which constructor? Parametric constructor. What you write? Int emp number, string, name, float, salary. No. What we have to write? This dot employee number equal to employee number. This dot name equal to name. This dot salary equal to salary. Initialize, no? Now. These all initialized here. If you want to display, suppose emp e equal to new emp. Emp e equal to new emp 101, some name, salary will pass. Object created. System dot out dot println e. What will be the output? What is the output? Instead of hash code, I want to print content. Then what we have to do? To string. What we have to write? To string method you have to override. What do you have to write? Public. What do you have to write? String. To string. This is already a cover, no? I'm not asking new question. Those who remembered, they can understand. Those who forgot, they cannot understand. To string method, I taught in string handling. Again, while teaching collections, overridden myself also again on program. Generic in a generic. I given that method. We overridden. Here. What do you write? Written emp number plus space plus name plus space plus salary. Now emp e equal to new emp 101 triple A 5000. System dot out dot println e. What will be the output? 101 triple A 5000 comes, no? Clear, no? See. Otherwise, before this, you observe. This I'll make it comment. You see. It is comment I'll write. This total I'll remove. I'll ignore. It will ignored by the compiler now. You observe. Here. emp e equal to new emp 101 triple A 5000. System dot out dot println e. Now what is output? 101 triple A 5000. Compilation, execution. Coming now? Now. If I remove this to string, what is the output? This, if I remove this one, hash code. Hash code. Now, which class to string called? Object class. If I write like this, which class to string called? Which class? Employee class. It is employee reference, not string. What I'll do, you observe. Here, one employee object. Okay. One more employee I'll create. employee E2 equal to new employee 106 salary employee E3 equal to new employee 103 salary employee E4 new employee 109 employee E5 new employee I written. Okay. Now 5 employee objects are created. Okay. Now this I'll remove. This understanding purpose I written. In the place of integer, in the place of string, EMP. Here E1, E2, E3, E4, E5. Here. Okay, this is what will happen as it is printed. In this line, what will happen? This line, okay, it is as it is printed. You given right answer. This line, what will happen? Sorted. Which is sorted? Employee number sorted or name sorted or salary sorted? How do you know name sorted? Where is return type? ToString printing purpose only. Here E1 dot ToString. Then this is printed. But how it is sorted? Based on this one sorted. This complete based on this one sorted. That means this totally treated as one string like that sorted. Think. Previously only integers sorted. Previously only strings sorted. But employee number is there, name is there, salary is there. How it knows whether employee number should be sorted or name should be sorted or salary should be sorted? It doesn't know what you are going to sort. That's what error comes. Okay. See how many errors you observe? That error, sorting method only error. No suitable method for sorting employees. It doesn't know how to sort. Okay. Now you are getting error. Otherwise, how it will understand? 3 parameters are there. Employee number should sort or name should sort or salary should sort. That purpose only this interface required. That is tomorrow class. Okay. That purpose only this is required. With this, we can specify to compiler what you are going to sort. Then possible. Okay. This one most important topic. Comparator. It is most important in an interview. Interview they're asking. Maximum time they're asking. Because not easy. It is not easy. Okay. We'll see tomorrow about that one.